Hello once again. I'm almost finished. I forgot which one this is, but I loaded and put it on the YouTube video once I finish. I got the marquee working on the side. Everything's basically done. I have to get a new bezel. It's the silk screen is gone off of it. The original one. Corn lights are working. It's basically done. It's planned. I set it. Still have to do the paint work on the cabinet here. Sorry because of the darkness. Trying to turn around so you can see everything. But the base is working. I'm gonna go through a few games here to let you know. And also, I'm gonna show you what I did to save some money. But it's just a temporary fix until I get the original bezels and everything. So let's go through the steps. Okay. What I found out with the marquee, I needed a starter light, so I got that done. And put that in. The light worked fine. Didn't have to do anything with that. Came down here, so I'm gonna take the control panel off. Okay, control panel's down, and take the glass out. This will save you a bunch of money. Also. What I did, put this down here. Okay. What I did was get some poster board construction paper from Dollar General. Probably like $1 or $2. The cuts are not perfect at this point, but it's just temporary to block out the light and make it a little bit darker there. And what I did, also I'm gonna lift this up. If you can see it, I used electrical tape around the monitor. The monitor, you won't believe this, I purchased for $10 from a local thrift store, and that's all you need, and it plays perfect. So you don't have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a monitor. Just check your Craigslist, check your local thrift shops, and you could go purchase one. Now I will have to get a bracket to put it on. Let me show you something else I did on this, and it's kind of like piece together. I put a bag down here right now until I get the Velcro straps to put on there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift this up, and what I used was an old TV monitor. You can't see it, sorry about that. A TV LCD monitor stand, and I put it on as my mount just right now until I get some more money to do it properly. So I'm gonna put everything back together and let you see how easy, just right there. Then right over here. Sorry about that. It's hard doing it with one hand here. Then the other one goes over here. Other black piece. just to cover up the sides. And then the bottom. And like I said, this is just temporary. I mean, I'm not trying to impress nobody really with this. Just trying to have some fun with the game. Get the glass here. Put this back on. And like I said, once I get some more money, I'll go get a better deal. I'll give me a bezel. And there you go. Put the control panel back on. Yeah, I really need a new bezel. It looks bad with that, but you can't see the inside of the cabinet with the construction paper poster board together. So I'm gonna go through a couple of games, and it's easy. I did the JAMA board adapter. Set the settings for free play, and you could go through the games. And since it's a Miss Pacman cabinet, let's play Miss Pacman. Actually, it's a hit too. And this is the slow version here. I'm gonna just get killed right quick. So the hardest thing about this, because you have to die before you can start over again. That's the only thing that I don't really care for. Instead of stopping during the game and then so I'm gonna get die and all my men. And it's 60 games, 60 in one board. Got from Harlem Computers. But the restoration is almost complete. A few minor touches, like I said, I'm gonna go maybe do the paint. And the bottom needs to be redone. Get a basket for the corn door. Corns is working. The bottom, I need the top part to complete that. But everything is working fine on here. And see, free play. Hit the button and it just goes down from there. Miss Pacman 2. Now this should be the faster one. Blue screen. I love it. No, still not fast. I don't know what's wrong with that. I'm gonna have to go into settings and reset it. But that's all I have for now. I just want to give you an update on it. And today is November 19th, 2013. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, please post them. Love to hear them for any information that I could use in the future. Thank you. Bye.